orange ba? Hindi. Para akong ano, isda sa...
Ate maganda nga.
Maganda ate, hindi orange.
Baka marami.
Ay, bimba.
Pass to the next person.
Ayok.
Kanina teach ka mo.
Ma'am, bakit ka na ate, yung kinampo naman. Ikaw siya naman nakita. Dagdagan mo yung airtime mo. Congrats, Misha. Congrats, everyone. Sabat. Ate,
Fresh pa ba?
Ay, para akong tuloy.
graduate na kami, guys.
Graduation. Pwede na guys. Start na.
Oil ensures that innovations in some community programs.
Oh my God.
Thank you very much, Dr. Lagrada, for the medical technologies launching your examination.
Nasa left na yung tassel namin. Graduate na pala na kami umuwi.
Kaya na kami, guys.
True, magutot na kami.
May ano sila, girl. Bilang siya sa certificate.
Christian Jaro,
Ishan, Angela A. Sila, R. Soto, Giancarlo N. Suarez, Alden M. Lugar, Yes, Atari, France, Ashley D. Ocampo, at sobrang
Mamaya mag-robot yan. Sounds. Wait lang ha. Ay! Mikey! Hi! Hi!
Sunlight hits in so many ways. Grab my shades and hit the streets. No plan.
Sinulit niya na yung ano tawag dito, yung nagbunga na ang kanyang paghihirap.
Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag. Today's for us, no time to lag.
Galit yan!
Galit
yan! Say hi! Hi!
Tagal-tagal din.
Every step a beat we can make.
SM Pampanga.
Sing it till the break. Concrete warm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heartbeat. Skipping stones in city streams we find. Let's write a new story, leave the old behind. Someone's cooking love in the air, I swear. Every spark in their voices shows they care. Colors splash like secrets on these walls, while laughter echoes through the halls. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to...
Hi guys.
Hindi na namin kinaya yung ano.
Malin.
Hindi na namin kinaya yung gutom.
Ay,
Kumain
ikaw
muna
naman.
kami bago umuwi.
Hindi kumain ng umagahan, ng tanghalian,
Ay,
hindi ka to.
kumain ako nung nag-breakfast ako ng tinapay.
Ikaw! Parang... Say hi. Mamaya na guys. Sakit
Bye.
mo na kami. Bye.
I know things have been good and we were all in for the ride. Sometimes everything changes, no more places left to hide. If I